Hello, welcome back to channel Best Tofu. Digitalization trend in insurance and their impact on the functionality of the insurance market and business. Innovation with its effect of as new technology is pointed out as key drive of change in the financial sector. The insurance sector, which at the beginning of change taking place, in other sectors, applied of caution because a powerful creator and beneficiary of the new technology. The use of digital technology in this sector gives the possibility to achieve efficient guides, allow the new possibility of service provision, better opportunities for debt collection, mitigation, insurance, and fraud prevention. The whole phenomenon of use the new technology in insurance is called InsurTech, and according the definition offered by OECD, insurance InsurTech is the term being used the description the new technology with the potential to drive innovation in the insurance sector and impact the regulatory practice of insurance market. Digitalization relies on integration of digital technologies into everyday life. This process is performed by the digitization of everything that can be digitized and release on conversion of analog information in any form to the digital form with suitable electronic device with the aim to process, store, and transmitter the information of digital news, equipment, and circuit. The analog information can be a form text, photograph, or the voice. Digitalization is one of the main issues accompanying financial services, including the insurance related. Thanks to the use of new technologies and demand for digitalization, the digitalization process are observed is analog all insurance companies and are the source of many channels and success. According to the report prepared at the end by the Accenture Consulting Company in cooperation with the Police Chamber of Insurance, the main digital trend in insurance might including the following areas: cooperation of an intermediary with an insurance company, channeling and digitalization of document process, automation, insurance in the role of artificial intelligence, increase in the self use of external data source and ecosystems. Insurance companies interested in their structure in the indicated as and use the solution provided by InsurTech companies. KPMG highlight what in the face of the COVID-19 pandemic situation and the need to reside from many standard comparison models. Insurance with the more advanced digital sales, underwriting, claim, and administration process are in a much better position than others. There is no doubt that the trend of digitalization is and will develop among insurance industry, but there is a question referring to the effect, prediction, and receipt of this development. The aims of this paper to examine how, as a result of digitalization, the functional of the market participants. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.